Hello everyone, this is Bree. Thank you for joining me and watching my video. Today we will learn how to chain across undefined stitches. There we go. I made a little sample piece, and this side has very defined stitches and this side does not have defined stitches at all. So I'm going to finish this row out. Just going to do a little half double crochet right there and one more. Now to start on the other side, I will do a chain one. And now what you want to do is just take a look at the undefined side that you have to stitch across and just try to see if you can find a pattern, which is what I usually do. So right here you can see there's kind of like a little V shape, and then next to the V shape there is a little triangle shape. Next to the triangle shape there is a little circle. It's kind of like a big circle. So if you keep looking for the repeat pattern, there's another triangle, there's another big circle, there's another V, triangle, circle, V. So you can kind of see a pattern emerge, but you really have to look for it. It's not just going to show itself. So I'm going to start with the V. I'm going to make a single crochet right there, and then go next to it to the triangle, single crochet right there, and then I'm going to go into the big circle. So that is the pattern, and then it just repeats. You can kind of see it. There's the V again. I'm going to single crochet, then right next to the V is the triangle, next to that is the big circle, and there's the V again, there's the triangle again, and there is the big circle. So it's kind of like visualizing the matrix once you get everything figured out and you can kind of see the pattern. So you have to look for it. It's not going to be right in front of your face like the other chains, but I think this way looks a lot neater than just stabbing into random places along an undefined row that you have to chain across. So there's the last V, and then there's the last triangle right at the end. And now we are done with our undefined row, and it looks so neat, and you can hardly tell the difference between the defined stitches and the undefined one. Yeah, but that's how I make everything look nice and neat on all my projects, and thank you for watching.